Hello and welcome to another t-shirt design. My name is David Oisamoje. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight right into it. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to use canva.com. You are my follower, love the canva.com video, so I'm going to be using canva.com for my designs. It's that simple. Let's create a new design. Create a new design, custom dimension. The standard, someone should remind me, for 500 by 400. If you got that, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you got that right. Create a new design. So for this one, it's going to be a simple design. I already got my element downloaded. Remember, if you're on Canva Pro, you can download your element just straight from Canva. You don't need to pay for. If you go to photos, you see paid images you can use, so you don't need to pay for photos and all. You don't need to pay for photos, video footage. Just make sure you're on Canva Pro. And to get Canva Pro, I have a link for 1 month free. The link is customized for me, so you sign up through that link and you get Canva Pro. But I already got my element downloaded, so I'll just go to upload an image or video. I'm going to make this video as fast as possible, as quick as possible, so stick around. Go to pictures, and I'm going to find my element for this, which is, I think it's the heart. So this is it. So I'm just going to click on this, open. So it's going to load here, as you can see. So while it loads up, I'm just going to say, please make sure you go to my channel. If you've not subscribed already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every week, at least 3 videos every week. As you can see, I have about 119 video up already. At the time of watching this, will be 120. So please make sure you subscribe and watch so that you don't miss out. So I'm just going to click on this. So for this one, we're just going to make it a little bit bigger. So to do that, we'll click on the art you see here, and we're just going to move our cursor to this edge. Press your left mouse click button and drag outward a bit, just like so, and just position it. Make sure you get that just like so. So for this, we're just going to say, bring in our text. Our text is just going to say a simple text. It's not going to be complicated. Should not be complicated. Just going to be something very, very unique. So we'll just click on that. So as you can see, we've clicked on that text, but it's quite small, so we're just going to move that upwards like so. Make it bigger by hovering our cursor to this edge, dragging that out. So we just have it like so. As you can see, we have 2 texts here, and we just want the upper one, we don't want the lower one. So what we're going to do is to click on group layer, click out of the box here, then click on this font and click on delete on your keyboard. Go back in here, double tap, Ctrl A to click that, and it's just going to be a simple, very simple text take. As simple as that. Take art. As simple as that, not complicated. So now we're just gonna Ctrl A again, go to our color palette, which is text color, as you can see. Click on that. So now we just pick a color from this. So let's use that. Make it bigger again, just like so. Just click out and you can see, just like so, we have it perfectly. It says take art, just like that, and we are good to go. All we have to do now is just to download this. Remember, you can't download transparent background with a free version of Canva, so you need to get Canva Pro to do that. But I got you covered. Just check the first link in the description and you get a link for Canva Pro. Sign up with my link and you get 30 days free, totally free, and you can use any element from Canva Pro. You can get this art from Canva Pro directly. So just click on download, prepare your download. Once your download is done, it's gonna automatically download to your system. As you can see, automatically you have it there. Now it's downloaded. If you just go in show folder, you're definitely going to get your design. This is it. So once it's loaded up with double tap, as you can see, it's a simple design, but it sells. Take art, it sells. It's simple, super easy, no time wasting. So that is it for this video. YouTube would have recommended a video for you. Please, I advise you go and watch that video. It's super interesting. Make sure you watch that video and make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I will see you in our next video. Stay blessed.